Checked.
Hey, what's going on everyone? So it's Keith here again at Coding Blind Tech, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to install NVM or Node Version Manager on your Ubuntu instance on Ubuntu WSL on Windows. Alright, so we need Node Version Manager because we're going to install different versions of Node.js, which also comes with NPM, Node Package Manager. This is going to lead into our next video where I show you how to set up a Node.js server. So we're going to use Express.js to do that, and that kind of is going to how that's how we're going to get started rolling into a video on how to create an API using um, Node.js and Express. So, all right, getting started. What we're going to do first is I'm going to open up my Ubuntu instance.
Start window.
So if you didn't catch that video, I will drop it in the description below. It is how to install Ubuntu WSL on Windows.
Ubuntu. Ubuntu 2.04. No intent break.
Okay. We have our
CC.
Ubuntu bash line open now. And what we're going to do is we need to go get the instructions to install NVM. So I will drop these in the description below as well.
GitHub colon. Let.
Alright, so I'm going to go to Brave, which is my web browser of choice. We're going to go to Google.
Toolbar. Google document.
Alright, we're looking for
Expand. How
how
to
to
install
install NVM
on
on
Ubuntu. How to install NVM. Clickable. Main landmark clickables. Clickable featured snippet from the web heading levels. How to install NVM on Ubuntu question. Heading level 3.
Okay, we're going to pick this first
List with
one
8 items.
up.
1 dot. Step 1 colon. Update the system dot. Dot.
So we want to update the system.
2 dot. Step 2 colon. 1 dot. Clickable. How to install NVM on Ubuntu. How to install NVM on. How to install Node. Clickable. How to install NVM on Ubuntu colon.
To the right
How to
page,
install
it's
NVM.
showing me the featured result.
Clickable main landmark. How to install NVM on Ubuntu colon. Step dash by dash step. Breadcrumb navigate.
Step
Link
by
block. Visited.
step.
Out of version management. Link share on Twitter. Link share on LinkedIn. Updated button. Download PDF. Visited link. List of content you will read in this article called Navigation Landmark List with 10 items. Link 1 dot. About Node.js. Link 2 dot. Link 3 dot.
Alright, let's go by headings to get to the actual start.
About Node.js heading level. What is NVM question? Prerequisites heading level.
It's just going to tell us what NVM prerequisites.
How to install NVM on Ubuntu question.
Install on Ubuntu.
To install Node version manager left paren. Steps colon. Heading level 3 step 1 colon. Update the system.
So update the system. So that's
Ubuntu
going to
2.
be,
Greater.
we're going to do sudo
Sudo.
apt
App.
update.
Update.
Sudo apt update. The spaces in between those words. And then we're going to do -y to, that way so we can just say yes when it prompts us. Press enter.
Left bracket sudo right bracket.
Ask for password.
0% left bracket. Fetch 200 and
Okay,
how to
let's
install.
set the system
First
update.
comma. Ensure your system is up dash. Sudo apt update. Button space copy. Heading level 3 no indent step 2 colon. Once the system is updated. Heading level 3 step 2 colon. Download and install NVM.
So step 2, we want to download and install
Once the
NVM.
curl dash o dash https colon / raw.getubsercontent.com /nvm dash sh / nvm / v0.35 button space copy.
Alright, we're just going to
Code
copy
copy.
this with this button.
Ubuntu 2.2.
We're going to come back over here to our Ubuntu shell and just do Control V to paste.
Curl dash o dash percent total equals greater compressing and cleaning up Git repository equals greater NV.
Take a sip of coffee.
Bottom. Greater. Left bracket dash s quote $NVM line dir / bash line completion quote right bracket and backslash dot. Quote.
Alright, that's done. So let's go look at our next step.
Heading level 3 no indent step 3 colon. Check NVM version.
NVM version.
Verify the NVM version installed with colon.
Alright, so that was our installation.
NVM dash dash version.
So we're going to do NVM space dash dash version.
Ubuntu 2.
So
NVM.
space dash dash
0.35.3. Great.
0. So it's installed now.
How to install button space copy.
Alright, so that is how you install NVM.
Toolbar.
I'm going to copy this.
Start window.
Put it in Notepad.
Notepad.
For you all to have in the description.
https colon blank.
Okay. So I'm just going to leave that there.
How to install NVM on Ubuntu. How to Ubuntu 2.2. Greater.
Pop back over to our Ubuntu instance and we're going to clear. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to actually install a Node.js version 18. So we'll actually install Node version 20. So we're going to do NVM
NVM.
space install
Install.
space, and then we're going to do v20 enter.
Downloading and installing Node v20.12.2. Downloading https://
Okay, now we're downloading
Now
and
using Node
installing.
v20.12.2 left paren, npm v10.5.0 right paren.
Nice. Okay.
Greater.
So now if I do node
Node.
dash version, so it's node space dash version. And what I'll do is I will put
v20.12.2.
there you hear our version. So what I'm going to do
Star
is
untitled.
hop over to this new pen.
Blank. https blank.
Title this link here
Link to
instructions. So actually
link
we'll
to instruct
say
selected. H unselect to
how to download
I load and
and
install
NVM
NVM on Ubuntu.
Ubuntu,
How to https:// blank.
and then I'm actually going to put the commands in here for you to have whenever you're going through
Commands.
this. So we'll
Space
just
S
say command reference.
E NC
And so some of those commands we were running were we checked the version of Node version manager. So we did that with NVM
NVM
space
J
dash version.
version NVM dash version and command reference colon NVM dash version blank.
We also installed Node version 20. So we can, I'm going to put that in here,
NVM
install,
install
and then v20.
v20
Alright, so then we're also going to put in here
node
dash version.
version
We're going to put
NVM
npm version.
version
Again, this is just for you guys whenever you all go through this and install, you have the information you need.
and no and how to download and install
And then
blank.
again, I'll put the
Link
link
to
to
Ubuntu
video
video to
to
install colon
we'll say
install
to
download and
install.
carriage return
So I'll grab
link
that
to Ubuntu
once I get done with this video.
blank.
And then I want to show
Ubuntu
you
2.2
one more thing.
greater
Alright, so now that we have Node installed, we can actually do just like we can do with Python. Um, and we can drop into a terminal window where we can run JavaScript. So just to prove that to you, we can do node, and then so we type node and then press enter.
Welcome to Node.js v20.12.2. Type quote help quote for more information greater.
Okay, so now we can actually start typing some JavaScript. So if I say const name equals
tick
quote
Keith
quote semicolon,
undefined greater.
it says undefined, but that's just because we haven't defined const anywhere. So if we say now console
Ellie log
log and then
name
semi
Keith undefined
Keith.
great.
And for some reason you're just going to hear undefined. That's one thing I did notice and have for years now. But that shows you right there that we're actually running JavaScript in this. So if I say like if space parentheses name thing equals tick Keith,
K
or we'll just say
JSON JSON name S
tick open, and then we'll just say left brace, and we'll just say
console
log
log
tick the
name it not JSON
James
names
right print
left parent tick.
open. Okay, right brace. All right, enter.
The name is not James undefined.
And see, our condition was true because the name did not equal James. So in that case, we got our console.log message, and this is all JavaScript. So this is super cool. All right, so we've got Node.js installed now, and our next step in the next video, we're actually going to start a project It's going to be our API. And that API is just we're going to end up creating a health check route, and that will get us started. And we will learn how to upload files as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Starlink, how to install OBS 3.0.